this is my sister. Hello, my name is Wimala. Nice to meet you. Today we are going to make chocolate balls or bola-bola chocolate. The ingredients are Charis, margarine, biscuit, and chocolate sweetened condensed milk. Beside the ingredients, the tools are bowl, spoon, mini bowl, and toothpicks. Now we will start now. Now you need 2 spoons of margarine and melt the 2 spoons of margarine. Ask your parents or legal guardian to melt the margarine. The ingredients after we already prepared it: biscuit, masses, chocolate sweetened condensed milk, and the margarine that we just have melted. We need to smash the biscuit first. After we mash the biscuit, we add the margarine. Add 2 spoons of margarine to the smashed biscuit. And then after that, you mix the margarine and the biscuit. If it's still not mixing, you can add more margarine to the biscuit. Dikit-dikit ya. After you mix the margarine and the biscuit, you add chocolate sweetened condensed milk to the mixture.
Gak bisa deh, itu kecil banget.
Don't add many milk to the mixture or it will be sticky at the end. After you mix the margarine, the milk, and the biscuit, you make them into chocolate balls and put them into another new bowl. Before you do that, you need to wash your hands first. After you make the balls, you put them in your fridge. Okay guys, now it is the moment that we try the chocolate balls. Stop. It is very good. You can try it at home too. Bye!